What is Excalidraw Obsidian? So, Obsidian, as we all know, is our beautiful program, which is great for base and note taking. It's great for, making markups. It's great for, creating codes through notes and a whole lot more. And it gives you the best type of work ethic. Okay, you can note down tasks. You can, access in different types of codings into this. As you can see, the task management is perfect, the layout is perfect, and you can also get in competitive programming through Obsidian to create beautiful things like these. So, that's Obsidian, a basic note-taking app, and it helps you a lot. Now, Excalidraw is a drawing plugin that you can add in Obsidian because Obsidian's, these mind maps that you can see, these are graphs and they're pretty difficult to make. But if you download Excalidraw, this is a plugin where you can actually draw different maps for yourself if you want to. And it's really easy, really simple to use, and it's really fun as well. So that's what Excalidraw is. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.